Well, how you doing? It's Debbie, and cooking in this little spot by my backyard. He's still doing some construction and remodeling, so I've got a lot of things to do around here. Um, Anyways, and if you thought just because I wasn't camping anymore that I'd stop grilling, you're wrong. Always loved it. Plus, it saves electricity, and even though I have free power and water, hey, I like cooking over the grill, especially because tonight it's going to be bratwurst. Um, and there's so much less to clean up. So I've got the coals going, they're mesquite, and I've taken 2 ears of corn. The other night I cooked the corn on top of the fire with the steaks, but it got really hot and the corn was burning, and it was okay. But tonight we're going to do the lazy way because I'm going to need the entire grill top for my tiny grill and 2 packages of bratwurst. So I've got the coals and they're just right now. And always build your coals in a little pyramid. Let them get a little lighter fluid. And then we're going to put the grill on. But what I did with the corn is I got the corn wet, took the husk off, got the corn wet, wrapped it in parchment paper while it's still moist, then wrapped it in the heavy-duty foil. And I put it not on the super hot side, but on this side over here where the coals are. And partway through, I will turn the corn over and continue cooking the brats. Anyway, so there's a method to my madness. Muhahaha. So I'm going to put the grill top on. Well, the grill grate. I don't put the top on unless I'm cooking something that really is going to need a lot of heat, or I'm really low on coals and I want to maximize the heat to finish something off. Otherwise, you usually extinguish your flame, especially with the mesquite chunks. I don't like to use the prefabbed chemical briquettes. I always try to use the natural mesquite charcoal. So, gotta put that grill on. Great. On the grill, there's a poem in there somewhere. And we'll get the brats going.